Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw an aardvark. Before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe because all of that really helps out the channel and I really appreciate it when you do. Alright, so to start our aardvark, I'm going to draw his face. So he's got a really long face. Drawing the shape of his head. He's going to be sniffing something on the ground. So far, that's what I've got. And now I'm going to give him a little smile. I'm going to curve up a little bit there. And then give him the bottom of his mouth right here. And bring that on up. And make this side a bit longer too. Like I said, they have really long faces. And now I'll give them 2 ears. These ears are also very long. So kind of like a bunny ear. Do a little line there on the inside. And another ear. Like that. And now let's give him a little eye. I'm just going to give him a little circle on the inside and color everything in dark except for that little circle. Like that. Okay, so now I'm going to come on up and give him a great big hump. Got a bit of a humpback. So it's like we got a hill. And then come on down. And this is going to become his tail. But we're not there yet. So right here, let's give him a little bit of fluff here, a little bit of fur for his neck. And then we're going to start on a front leg. So he's got some big claws. 1, 2, 3. I'll give him 3 little claws. And as I'm drawing his leg, I'm doing lots of little strokes for pieces of fur. This guy's pretty furry. Like that. And now we're going to do his other leg, his back leg, right here. We'll start. And we'll do lots of strokes for fur. And come on down. And do 1, 2, 3 claws on his foot. And come on up and do some more little strokes. And right here, I'm going to do lots of strokes of fur. Like that. And we can do his other front foot here in the back. 1, 2, 3 claws. Lots of strokes of fur. And he needs another back foot. So 1, 2, 3 claws. Bring up that foot. And I'm going to do a few more bits of fur here, of fluffy hair. And then we can give him a tail. Like that. And if you want to add in some other strokes throughout his body, you certainly can. It really just kind of helps to make him look more fluffy, give him some more texture with his fur. Because like I said before, he's got a lot of hair. And I'm going to give him some color too, but the colors that I'm going to use for him, I'm going to use a little bit of light pink in his ear on the inside, and I'm going to use lots of gray, and I'm going to use a light gray for his tail, and I might use a brown, and I'll probably add some color in the background too. All right, folks, so we are finished our drawing of an aardvark. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.